Okay, so what I'm going to do in this video is create a login system for my application. Okay, so I'm going to download the folder from Moodle, put that in there. I'm going to unzip the folder. Find that I've got some login files here, which is going to be separate. Let's grab that and put it onto the desktop. So here, I'll take those. Now that's something I need. The first thing I'm going to do is create a new table in my database. Okay. So if I go to users.sql, which is there, this is our users table. Now there's no data in it at the moment, but this is just the structure. Okay, so I just grab all that. I go to my database here, which I'm making one called shoes. I go to SQL, I go to paste, I go to go. And now if I refresh, you'll find that in shoes, I have a users table with absolutely no data in it, but I'm ready to go for my next step, which is to set up a login and registration form.